we're back. Well, I guess, I don't know. Hello. Alright, today we are making bath salts. Not the ones that make you high, or whatever they do. Yes, I'm such a druggie, aren't I? But the ones that you put in your bath and soak in and make you feel fabulous. So, with all my body products, I use Pyrex. I clean them out with alcohol, and as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. Alright, now the recipe for this in percentage form will be down the bottom. If you can work out how to make a recipe from percentage form, go you. If not, do some more research. I know that sounds harsh, but alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the Himalayan salt. We're going to tear that out. I have ground my Himalayan because I prefer it that way, but I just let it go. Like, there's still some lumps in there, so I'm not overly worried about it. Alright. Put that back in its container later. For now, it can just live in there. Alright, and then in here we have Epsom salts. Now I'm going to do something a little, not sneaky, but there's just a particular way that I colour these, just to be a little bit different, because it's bath soak, you don't really need colours, but I like to make colourful things. So I colour these. Alright, so that's that, and that's that. We also need bicarbonates. Socks are snoring away in the background. I don't know why I have citric out, because I'm not using it. I was making bath bombs, so there you go. Alright, I can taste that. Alright, so that's our base, most of our base ingredients. Apparently my talking hole doesn't work today. I'm just rubbing my fingers through this, just to make sure that there's no, like, see, there's still some bit bigger lumps, just because it looks better in the bag if it doesn't have big giant lumps. I mean, this will all dissolve in water anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now, for my little sneaky trick, if it's not really sneaky, but whatever, I do not grind my sea salt. It's down here on the floor in a bucket. That's going to be way too much. Yes. And that's not going to be enough. Still not enough. Sorry if I'm... Oh, I'm not actually doing this off camera. There you go. There you go. So, okie dokie. Move that out of the way for a minute. Turn that off. Now, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there are all different sizes of salt in there. There's some really big chunks and there's some smaller chunks. So, I just leave it like that. Now, this fragrance that I'm using, which is pink champagne and exotic fruits. I do a mix of pink and purple. So all I do is colour the salt. Sox's snore is so cute. I don't know if you can hear that. Now, if I were to just do this, it could stain the bath. So, sorry for that. What I'm going to do is in the Natrasorb and fragrance mix, I'm going to add some polysorbate to combat that, so that it disperses through the water, doesn't sit on top of the colours, because the mica will come off the salt as it melts and it will sit on top of the water. So if you put this poly in there, it won't. So there you go. So now we have pretty coloured salts. You can see now the different sizes, which looks so much better. I'm making a this is enough for 3 bags, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to put that over there with that, because no, it's all good. We can put that in now. Oh, I'm obviously not thinking straight. But then again, what's new? I'm never thinking straight. My brain doesn't work that way. I could have just put the mica in with the salts, with all the, and it would still work, but I like how you've got more of a plain colour and then you've got these little chunks of colour. I just think it looks neater. Not neater, because you don't, when I say neat, I mean nifty. I'm old, remember. Alright, so I'm going to dig a little hole in there. Oh crap. And I don't have my little beaker, unfortunately, so it's all going in here. Oh, I've got it bad today, don't I? So in this one, we're going to put the Natrasorb first. Where'd that spoon go? It's like feathers, this stuff. It really is. It doesn't weigh much more, I can tell you. Alright, now, if you buy this from Aussie Soap Supplies, you'll get it in 2 bags like this. Now, as a word of warning, it's the worst part about gloves is you can't slide them. Yes, if you're going to squish down the bag in here, just do it really gently, otherwise all your Natrasorb poofs out. Ask me how I know. I hate gloves, I tell you. I wear them because I have to in this. This is why I won't wear them with soap, because they're just stupid. Alright, that's you over there. Now, we have to do... and... Alright. I'm going to mix this with a spoon first of all. Because I hate the feel of it. That's exactly why I'm doing it. I really do hate the feel of this stuff. I also don't like the feel of cotton wool balls though, so that's why I do it. Oh, that smells delightful. Now as you can see, it's gone from a powder to have a sort of like a wet sand consistency, I guess. If you can smash it up against the side of the bowl. That's pretty much what it's supposed to look like. If you overload it too much, it goes real, what's the word I'm looking for? Like little pebbles, I guess. So yeah, once you work with Natrasorb for a while, you get to figure out if it's right. It's an odd thing. Now I'm just mixing this around and around with my fingers just to try and incorporate as much as possible. Just trying to get all those dry bits from up the bottom, down the bottom, up from the bottom. If I was smart, I would repeat myself and say the right thing and then edit that out, but I'm smart, I just don't care. You guys don't want to watch a perfect video. If you did, you wouldn't be watching my channel. Now, I am stupid and have not made bags up for these. I like to, I'll show you, I use one of my bath bomb bags. These are the bags that I use, these Ziploc bags, and I always put the stickers on first because I find it really hard to put the stickers on once the stuff is in them. It's just easier when they're flat. But because I have forgotten to do them before I made this, I guess we're going to put them in some unstickered bags. But how pretty is that colour? Oh, I think it's pretty awesome. And I've made a mess on there, which is fine. I have a bin. Alright. And this is why we have aprons. Nice clean apron at that. Well, it was a minute ago. It's not now. Alright. Now I've made enough for 3 bags. These bags hold... Turns out it was right beside me and I haven't cleaned it. I made pink bath bombs with that. The one really good thing about rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, is how quickly it dries. And if you are scooping, yeah, I think that's just stained for life now. If you are scooping anything that's you don't want to get wet, it's quite handy. Now I know these bags weigh about 7 grams, so I will fill these up to a bit over 207. But I won't be doing anything without the scales on. I'll have new scales soon. I'm a bit happy about that. You can see how pretty that's looking already. Now I don't chock fill these ones, which is why I only put 200 in them. Because I don't like them overfilled. They're hard to close and they just don't look nice. But I'll show you how I fix that to look better. Not that you can see that, but actually I'll do that first so you can see. I like to squish it in a little bit and then seal the tops. I will go back over that with when I don't have gloves and make sure that that's fully sealed. There you go. And then the sticker will go on the top. And there we have pretties. There are my pretty exotic fruit bath salt soaks. enjoy, try and make them yourself. It's always fun. Crafting is the funnest thing ever. And I hope the recipe comes in useful. If you use it and make your own, tag me to Instagram. I'd love to see. Alright, bye.